This is
Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
The show today is all about trips that you've taken in the past, trip that you are planning to take, basically the love for travel and exploring the world around you. That's why it's called Trips Don't Lie. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, and joining me from the online revenue department Gurgaon is Vanshika Sharma, who has recently visited a beautiful place. But what's even better is why she actually went there with her friends. We're going to learn all about it. Vanshika, so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Hi, Annie. Thank you so much for having me.
So how long have you been with the MMT?
It's been about 2 months now.
And turns out you've just completed your master's, so this is your first job.
Yes.
Is that exciting enough for you that you have been shortlisted and you're now working for India's largest travel company?
Yes, it's very exciting, and I am actually enjoying my work a lot, which I feel very lucky about.
Oh, that is so good. Well, then we are going to talk a lot about the trips that you have taken in the past, which is why the show name Trips Don't Lie. And I believe you have been to a rather nice place with your friends.
Yes, I have been to Morocco this year. We went there in March, and it was one of my friend's bachelorette trip.
My, quite fancy, huh?
Yes, it was.
Damn nice. So there's a lot of stories you've got to share with us. So the next time anyone plans for Morocco, you know, or they know what to do next and what to look for, right?
Right, and what not to do as well.
For sure. How many of you all went for this bachelorette?
We were 6 of us.
Oh, good. That's a nice, small, tight bunch, huh?
Yes.
So even if there are disagreements, it's okay. I mean, you can always overcome that easily.
Well, it was not that easy. Everybody had a very different point of view, but we made it somehow.
Yeah, I know. But, well, made memories. And I'm sure a few years later, when you look back and think about those disagreements, you all probably will laugh it off.
Yes, definitely. I mean, even now we do.
Go MMT Radio.
Customers aren't just external, but they are also internal. Our colleagues, peers, team, etc. We must focus on the needs of both by building a culture of customer focus from inside out. Hello, I'm Yuvraj Shrivastava and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
ब्रो, पीपीटी बना ली? अब मूड भी बना लो फन करने का हमारे साथ।
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
Her name is Vanshika Sharma. She's been to Morocco. We're going to learn so much more about her trip. Basically, what are the fun things to do and maybe some of the things that you might want to avoid, because she went there with a bunch of friends. She's based out of Gurgaon and works in the online revenue department for MMT. This is Go MMT Radio and I'm your host Annie. Vanshika, right now we're going to slip straight into the Bollywood quiz you've picked other than the GK quiz. Why did you think that GK is not your cup of tea?
I can give it a try, but I don't know what sort of questions you're going to ask. I just want to be safe.
Yeah. Well, we're going to kick off with the Bollywood quiz. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, which film has the song Bole Chudiya? It's a big family drama with a lot of emotional moments. Went on to become a huge hit.
Oh, that's K3G. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
That is correct. Which film is about a father training his daughters to become wrestling champions?
Dangal.
That is correct. Well, which film follows the adventures of a young girl who becomes a secret YouTube singing sensation while trying to hide her identity from her strict father?
That's a tough one.
Come on.
No
I've already
idea
given
about
you
this one.
I've already given you one half of the movie's name when I said secret.
Secret Superstar? Something
That is
like
correct. Absolutely, that's what that movie is about. Who directed the film Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
Karan Johar?
That is correct. Which actress played the role of Rani in the film Queen?
Oh, Kangana.
Who sang the song Jai Ho from the film, the Oscar-winning film Slumdog Millionaire?
A.R. Rahman?
No. He did the music for the film. Yes, he did.
Then I have no idea.
Sukhwinder Singh. Last question. Which film tells the story of a rapper from the slums of Mumbai?
Curry Boy.
That is correct. You did do good.
रवि, लाइव वॉलेट का सीन क्या है? या फिर तू भी दिवाली स्नैक्स के मूड में है?
स्नैक्स तो चालू है, बट सुन लो सब लोग, 30th September is the last and the final date to use your Alive Health Wallet. उसके बाद जो पैसे वॉलेट में हैं वो रह जाएंगे सिर्फ यादों में।
ये मतलब सिंपल है। डॉक्टर से मिलना हो, डायग्नोस्टिक्स हो या मेडिसिन, बिल अपलोड करो 30 सितंबर से पहले, नहीं तो वॉलेट का बैलेंस बन जाएगा एक्सपायर्ड ऑफर जैसा।
तो पहले हेल्थ का जुगाड़, फिर दिवाली की मिठाई। अलाइव ऐप खोलो, बिल्स अपलोड करो और पैसा वापस लो, वरना तुम्हारे वॉलेट का भी ब्रेकअप हो जाएगा विदाउट क्लोजर।
अलाइव हेल्थ का स्मार्ट वॉलेट अभी के अभी यूज करो। Alive Wallet expires on 30th September 2025.
Good morning, make my trip. This is Virendra Sehwag on your very own Go MMT radio. Get set, go.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
On the show today, talking about Morocco, is Vanshika Sharma. Trips Don't Lie is the name of the show. Online revenue department based out of Gurgaon. So Vanshika happened to go to Morocco with a bunch of friends. Why did she go? We're going to find out. Vanshika, I think it was a big event that you all had, even if it was a small bunch of friends, because these events are meant to be for the closest of friends. So tell us more.
So this was my best friend's bachelorette trip.
Oh.
And yes, we were 6 of us. We planned it all in like a month. It was one of the most memorable trips of my life.
Oh, that's sweet. First of all, when did the planning start? I'm sure it did not happen like in a month or so. You all must have started planning it like a year ago, or at least 6 months ago.
No, so we just got to know about my friend's wedding 3 months before the wedding. It was a surprise for all of us, and we planned everything in a month itself. So no, we did not get a year for it.
Okay, and what about the stay then? What did you all do?
We booked an Airbnb. It was a vintage sort of a property, very, very beautiful, made in the traditional Moroccan style. It smelled like sandalwood. It was amazing, yes.
Was this all with meals, or you all decided to just explore Morocco and forget about the meals because you didn't want to stay put in one place?
So the first day we landed in Morocco at 7:30 in the evening. We were supposed to reach the property around 9 o'clock. So we had booked our meal at the property itself. And it was not like a fancy property. It was like a homestay sort of a property. So the host, they cooked a very traditional Moroccan meal for us for dinner that night. Other days we just went out, had food from we had street food. We went to restaurants. And that was about it.
So the traditional Moroccan meal must have been a really good experience.
Yes, I mean, we did not know anything about Morocco, the traditional dishes at that time. So all the dishes were new to us. Some of them were really, really good. Some of them were quite average. But all in all, it was a really good experience.
Can you throw some names, if you still remember them, of a few dishes and what they were made of?
There was this dish called couscous that's quite popular there.
Yes.
Yeah, they have a bit weird names there.
Yeah.
Then there was this one dish called tangia. Slow cooked vegetables or meat. And
nice.
Yeah, and then there was another one, I don't remember the name, but it was a sort of a pie which had dry fruits in it. That one was quite good. I cannot recall the name right now.
I think it just opened up a completely different world of cuisine for you, for all of you actually.
Yes.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi everyone, this is Anupam from finance team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio, Headset Go.
Hi, this is Aishwarya from Tech Team and you are listening Go MMT Radio, Headset Go.
Headset Go.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना, स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये Go MMT रेडियो। ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा। लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो Go MMT रेडियो।
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
We're talking about Morocco because Vanshika has had a trip of a lifetime when she was in Morocco with her best friends. They were celebrating a bachelorette. Now, for the bachelorette, was this like the highlight, or did you all have like a separate event where your girls went crazy?
Yes, we sort of did a house party at the Airbnb. We decorated a room, we got a cake, and we surprised my friend who is supposed to get married this year. Then we also went to one of this club that is quite popular in Marrakesh. And yeah, that was about it.
Oh, nice. How sweet. So these are some of the things you can do. You can call for cakes. And how's the cake there in Morocco?
It was quite good, actually. The desserts in Morocco were quite good compared to the other, like the savories. I think the desserts were the highlight.
Oh, okay. What are some of the other things one must do in Morocco, when they are there? And what time of the year did you go? Was it too hot, humid? What was it like?
The weather there was perfect. We went in March. It was the beginning of summer and it wasn't humid at all. You could just go out, stay out for the entire day, walk, and you would not feel any sort of sweat or humidity. It was great.
Oh, that's so nice. So cool. And what about shopping?
Oh, yes. So there are these street markets in Morocco called souks, which are very, very popular. They are like canopy markets. They are all over Morocco. We went there, we shopped like crazy. I think Morocco has a lot of organic stuff that you can shop. Nice. And if somebody is a fan of perfumes, I think it's paradise. I think we went crazy on perfumes in Morocco.
So cool. It must have been one hell of a trip. And best wishes to your friend too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, before we close, there is a wrong answers only game we still have to play. So I'm going straight into that. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready.
The rapid fire round.
Where does the sun rise from?
From the back of my house.
Nice. What color is the sky?
Great.
Well, it's actually close, but I'll give it to you. How many fingers do we have?
18.
Okay. Where do we keep food cold?
In the oven.
Okay. What language do they speak in Morocco?
Gibberish.
What do we sleep on at night?
On our dreams.
Yeah, nice. What is the opposite of day?
Work.
What happens when it rains?
I am mostly working.
And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
Clarity.
No, not bad. That actually is the correct answer. But I will still take it because it is not technically the right answer. So good. I hope you enjoyed your time too, Vanshika.
Yes, I have. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for this and all the very best with your career at MMT. This is your first job and it's absolutely cool that you are in a travel company. There's so much to learn and I'm sure there's so much that you will be taking away from MMT.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, this was Trips Don't Lie with Vanshika Sharma from the online revenue department based out of Gurgaon. With that, the show today comes to a close. I'm your host, Annie, taking your leave. Yes, I'm signing off. I will be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, you've got to keep traveling and stay cheerful.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.